Hello everyone, welcome back to our channel. In today's video, I'll show you how you can fix Wild Rift stuck on loading screen. So if your game freezes before it starts, here are the best fixes to try. Let's start with the basic. So close the Wild Rift app completely and then restart your phone. This clears background glitches that might freeze the game during loading. After that, you need to check your internet connection. Wild Rift needs a strong connection, so switch between Wi-Fi and mobile data or restart your router. A weak or unstable signal is one of the most common cause of loading screen. After that, if you use iPhone, open up your settings application and then inside here tap on General. Now tap on iPhone storage and inside here search for Wild Rift and then tap onto it. Just like that, tap on Upload app, then tap on Upload app again. This helps remove corrupted files that might stop the game from loading. Once you have done that, head back to your home screen, open up the App Store, and then in the search bar, search for Wild Rift. Once you search for it, tap onto it, and if this blue button says Update instead of Open, tap on Update and let your application update to its latest version. Once you have done that, see if the problem is fixed or not. If not, if you're using a VPN proxy or have a battery saver enabled, turn them off. These can interfere with Wild Rift connection to the server. And that's it. With these fixes, you will then be able to fix Wild Rift stuck on loading screen. Thank you all for watching. If you found this video helpful, leave a like and sub, and I'll see you in the next one.